Kung gusto mo gumaling sa paglalaro ng basketball, ang isang paraan ay ang pagtakbo ng mabilis. Lahat ng magagaling sa anumang sports ang isang katangian nila ay mabilis tumakbo. Kaya lumikom ako ng mga videos para sa pagtakbo ng mabilis. Hindi niyo na kailangan mapagod mag-isip kung paano bumilis ang pagtakbo. Ang gagawin niyo lang ay panoorin ang mga kalipunan ng videos na aking nilikom. Pero bago niyo panoorin ay marapat niyo ring panoorin ang isang pang video para gumaling kayo sa basketball. Ang videong tinutukoy ko ay paanong mas lumakas o tumaas ang pagtalon.
The foot position, only on the front part of your foot. You would never see them running on the heels because also then that you would run and land in front of your body. So it's really that you front foot, front foot, front foot. That's the key thing. When you see also Ronaldo, when he's pushing off, he's only in the front part of the feet where we have more power. So it's a cross, 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 cross.
The least amount of ground contact time to create the least amount of air time. So what we're looking for here, go back and just pick this leg up. All right, so we want this foot to land here as the hip is passing over the top, and now it has the ability to immediately come off the ground and drive up. So we're looking for a crescent in the front and a straight line in the back. Crescent in the front and a straight line in the back. So
the nature of running up an incline stops you from being able to overstride and forces you to pick your feet up to get up and onto the next stride.
Paalala sa mga gustong gawin ang mga ganitong exercises. Huwag niyong biglain. Magsimula muna kayo sa 5 repetitions tapos unti-unti niyong itaas ang repetitions. Kasi kung bibiglain niyo at maraming repetitions agad-agad ay baka mapunit ang inyong tendons. O baka magkaroon kayo ng injuries tulad ng fracture. Huwag niyo rin i-overdo ang mga high-impact exercises. Kailangan niyo rin ng rest so hindi pwede na buong linggo kayo nagte-training.
When Olympic sprinters are at or near top speed, you won't see them fully extend at the knee. They naturally keep a slight bend so that they can recover the leg faster.
Bother with a band, and that's just too bad because the amount of benefits you're going to get from doing these exercises is worth the 2 seconds it would take to get a little piece like up and then repeating on the other side. The key is to get resistance with the sprinting motion, which will make you much faster.
Kung umabot kayo hanggang dito ay ibig sabihin na gustuhan nyo itong video na ginawa ko. Ito ay tulong ko para kayo ay gumaling sa paglalaro ng basketball. Kung sa tingin nyo nakatulong itong video ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.